Here's a linkage between the climate crisis and the increased frequency and severity of extreme weather events. All of you have studied the hydrological cycle in science, right? What is it? The hydrological cycle is evaporation, precipitation, water returning to the sea, and then that evaporating again, right? We have studied this in school, the normal hydrological cycle. Now, as the temperature increases, oceans evaporate even more moisture into the sky. That makes sense, right? Whenever it is warmer, more and more water will evaporate into the sky. And these are what we call sky rivers, the amount of water vapor that is there in the atmosphere. Now, warmer air, we know, can hold a lot more water vapor. With each additional 1 degree of temperature, the atmosphere's capacity to hold water vapor increases by 7%. There is already 4% more water vapor over the oceans than there was only 30 years ago. We saw that, right? Because of global warming, more and more water is evaporating. So, as a result of all this, what happens? The downpours get much bigger. This is what we call a cloudburst. This was a new term that meteorologists formed to describe this syndrome of a cloudburst. So what you're seeing there is a huge quantity of water being released from the atmosphere, from the sky onto the sea. So we know rain, which happens, heavy rain, but a cloudburst is when a large quantity of rain falls over one small region in a short span of time. So imagine a bathtub. Fill a bathtub with water. And when you open the faucet of the bathtub, all the water drains and a little whirlpool forms, right? When that whirlpool forms, what is happening? It is dragging water from all over the bathtub and dumping it into the little faucet. That is what you're seeing here. On all sides of your screen, these are hundreds of kilometers away. But all the moisture is going to be dragged and is going to be dumped in that one area. This is what we call a cloudburst, which is devastating. Here is an actual cloudburst that you can see over Tucson, Arizona, which happened in 2015. You can almost see the water bouncing off the earth, right? That's the amount of water that is being dumped.